Hello and welcome to the South African Cooking Show. Today we're going to be baking some milk tarts, some traditional South African milk tarts, and they're basically just some pie crusts with some sort of custard in it. And that's what we're going to be making. So before cooking, always remember to put on your apron. And if you have long hair like me, make sure to put it up in a pony, like so. Now, I have all the ingredients pre-laid out here, and the oven is currently preheating, so hopefully that'll get done when it comes time. First, preheat the oven. Done. Perfect. Next, medium mixing bowl. Alright, actually that's pretty large, but it'll be fine. Cream together half a cup of butter or margarine and 1 cup sugar. Add that in there. We just have to beat the mixture until it is smooth. Here we go. This might take a while. Why don't I let our beautiful host give you some knowledge and fun facts about this dish.
Fun fact time. Unlike in the Portuguese custard tart or the Chinese egg tart, in the South African milk tart, the ratio of milk to eggs is higher, resulting in a lighter texture and a milkier overall flavor.
Alright, this is now what I would describe as smooth. So let's move on to the next step. Separate bowl. Okay. 2 cups of flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Stir flour into mixture. Okay, flour. Another half, that's a little bit. Alright, just cook. Stir flour mixture into sugar mixture, just until ingredients are thoroughly combined. Okay. Alright, if we've done nothing wrong so far, these should combine nicely. Alright, while I'm mixing this together, why don't we get another fun fact from our host.
Fun fact number 2. The Afrikaans pronunciation of milk tart is melktert, spelled with 2 E's.
Press the mixture into the bottom and sides of 2 9-inch pie pans. I only have 1 9-inch pie pan, so we're gonna have to do them one at a time.
While I do that, here's another fun fact. This dessert originated among settlers at the Dutch Cape Colony in the 17th century, and is believed to have developed from the Dutch mattentart, which is a cheesecake-like dessert.
We now have a nice crust laid out here. Ah yes, I just remembered. My oven doesn't work, so we're going to be using the toaster oven today. Bake a preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. So we'll do that in a little bit. In a large saucepan. Alright, saucepan. Next, combine milk. How much milk do we need? We need 4 cups of milk. Alright. Hopefully I have that much milk. Is that going to hold 4 cups of milk? That was 2. Milk, vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon butter or margarine. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Alright, once that's boiling, we'll remove it. Alright, time for the final set of steps. We need another bowl. I think something like this will do. 2.5 tablespoons of flour. Oh, hi Nugget. Just a good boy. Alright, next we need to add the cornstarch. 2.5 tablespoons of this as well. Nugget, this isn't for you. I'm sorry. There we go. And then 1/2 cup of sugar. Alright, now we need 2 beaten eggs and then combine them. We could probably add this in here now. Will it fit? How big is this? It doesn't fit.
While I try to fit that in the oven, here's another fun fact. The first record of this dish in a cookbook was in the book A Notable Book of Cookery, published by Thomas Vander Noot around 1514.
There we go. Alright, so that needs to heat up again, so it said 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll just put it for like 17, 18 minutes. So it has a chance to heat up. Alright, now, beat the eggs. Here, let's see if I can do that patented one-hand egg. Nope. Alright, the camera stopped recording. Sorry about that. All I did was I finished adding the eggs, I beat them, and then I added this into this. So, not much has happened. But while I'm whisking this until smooth, you guys get to hear another fun fact about South Africa. So, enjoy.
Fun fact number 5. Recipes differ on a major step in the cooking of the milk tart. Some recipes have the custard baked directly in the crust, and some have the custard prepared before and poured in the crust afterwards.
Alright, so this is starting to boil. Remove it from the heat. Now, we're going to slowly whisk this into this. Now, we return it to the heat and constantly stir for 5 minutes. Well, you guys get a lot of fun facts now, and a time lapse. So let's see how that comes out.
Fun fact number 6. Almost always cinnamon is sprinkled on top, but sometimes the milk is infused with a cinnamon stick before being put in the custard.
Alright, I read it wrong. Actually, stir until it boils, and then boil and stir for another 5 minutes. So it's just starting to boil now. So I'm going to be here for another 5 minutes.
Fun fact number 7. A staple at churches and home industries and commonplace in South African supermarkets, milk tart may either be served chilled or at room temperature.
That's done. Alright, well, my workstation is a mess, but I think it's time to check on... That's right. This is holding it together. How's it looking? I don't think that's quite ready yet. It's not really golden brown. The bottom is. While we're waiting for that to get golden brown, here are some fun facts, and you get to watch me start to clean up.
Fun fact number 8. Some recipes call for the eggs to be separated while others keep them whole. Also, the filling of the milk tart varies from stiff to wobbly.
Alright, I think it's time we take this guy out and see what he looks like. I don't want to leave him in any longer, so whatever it is what it is, so. Alright. Here's what we got. Not too bad. Can I put that hot thing on with? Whatever. Alright. Here's the hard part. Pouring this into this. That's hot. There we go. It says half. Oh, that's, ugh. Yeah, I should have been stirring it more. Right. Alright, hold on. So, we have to sprinkle some cinnamon on it and chill before serving. So, let's get a little artsy. There we go. Cinnamon. Now I need to find a place for it in the fridge. There we go. It is being chilled before it is being served. Just like the recipe says. Alright, I don't know why this plate was in the fridge, but it was. So I'm going to continue to clean up, and then you're going to see me eat it. Okay, so I chilled it. I made the second half in a smaller pan, and here it is. And I'm gonna eat it. Oh boy. Hold on. Ugh.